welcome to Subject Master. Today we're going to be learning about Saludos and Despedidas, which are Spanish greetings and goodbyes. Let's start with a very basic thing in Spanish. Yes, you might be able to recognize this word hola. Hola is hello in Spanish. This word is frequently used by all the people who know Spanish. I want all the Spanish beginners to know this. In Spanish, we put the punctuation at the starting and also at the end of the sentence. As you can see in hola, you can see an exclamation mark after this word, and you can see an exclamation mark which is upside down before the word. Now let's get into the pronunciation. Some of the beginners, they pronounce it as hola. Some of them say it as hola. No. The H is silent and we say it as hola. And we do not read the I. We do not read the I because it is not an I. It's a punctuation. So we don't even consider the H. We just say hola. Hola. Now let's get into the main point of this video. Saludos, which means greetings. Now, hola means hello. Buenos dias, good morning. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Or you can say it as good evening. Buenas noches, good night. Gracias, thank you. Now let's come to despedidas, which means goodbye. These are some of the words that comes under the category of despedidas. Adios, bye. Hasta luego, see you later. Hasta pronto, see you soon. Hasta mañana. I've heard some of the beginners say hasta mañana, which is wrong. We say it as hasta mañana. Ciao means bye. I'm asking you a question. ¿Cómo estás? You might not be able to understand what ¿cómo estás is. ¿Cómo estás means how are you? We're going to be discussing about how to respond to ¿cómo estás? Let me tell you the meaning of ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás means how are you? You can also add ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal means what's up? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? That means, how are you? What's up? Right? Now, these are some words that you can use to respond to this question. Mal means bad. Muy mal. It's not muy mal. Muy mal means very bad. Regular, así. Regular, so. Bien, good. Muy bien, very good. Genial, amazing. Now, I've just given you the words, but to form a complete sentence, you should say estoy muy bien. Estoy muy bien. That means I am very good. Now, let's practice on how to converse in Spanish. Okay, let's revise a bit. Okay, so these are two kids. And the girl is Julia and the boy is George. So Julia starts the conversation by saying, Hola, buenas tardes, ¿cómo estás? Which means, hello, good afternoon, how are you? George responds, Hola, buenas tardes, estoy muy bien, ¿y tú? Now I've heard many people say you too or why tu? Wrong. You do not say any of it, but you say itu, right? So what does it mean? Hello, good afternoon. I'm very good. How about you? Then Julia says, Estoy muy bien. Muchas gracias. Adiós. Hasta luego. It means, I am very good. Thank you so much. Bye. See you later. And then George says, Adios. Hasta luego. This also means bye, see you later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I know learning a language in the first stage can be very difficult, but if you keep practicing and keep watching Subject Master, I know that you are going to be able to ace Spanish within no time. So until then, goodbye.